How's it going, guys? Average Joe back with another video. We got the boys down here hanging out, making some noise. So today, you might have saw it, we got some parts in. Been waiting on these things for so long. Let's dig in, see what we got. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be, so it's probably not everything. Probably still waiting on the crank to come in, but this should be enough that if I run it over to Lingenfelter, they can get the bores finalized and maybe start clearancing everything. Actually, no, because I'll need the crank to clearance everything, but we'll see. See what we got here. Okay, so this guy. This guy. Alright, so we got the rods. Nice new H-beam rods. Piston ring set. So we got the rings. Got your oil ring groove. So there's all your oil rings, your top rings, and your top and bottom ring, and your oil ring. We've got the second groove. These guys, these are all file fit, so I'm gonna have to file fit those after the bores are finished, and then this should be the first groove, the top groove. So nice. Let's see, we got those, and then we got bearings, Molly Cleveite bearings. So it looks like it's just, these are the rod bearings, standard upper, and then should be standard lower. Yep. So it should be 8 of these. One for each rod. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so we got 8 of those. Oops. Got another one of those. Spend a couple grand to get some stickers. Now, this guy. 2 sets of rings? What's this one? Roof lock spacer. Roof lock spacer. And then these are probably the wrist pin locks. I'm not sure why there's an extra set of rings here. Let's see what's going on. So we got here's the wrist pins. Okay. Let's check out these pistons. Alright, so top ring, second ring, and then the oil ring. Well, some of it doesn't put an orientation on there. So normally when you get a set of pistons, you have an orientation dot. So you'll have a dot on one side, and that dot faces the front of the block. Some it doesn't do that, but they do have large groove, small groove. So this is your intake groove, this is your exhaust groove. So when you assemble everything, you just need to make sure that you keep the orientation correct. So I'm still curious why there's an extra ring set here. I don't quite understand the purpose of that. Alright, well, that's what came in today. So still waiting on the crank and main bearings, but this is a start, so that's good. But that's pretty much it for today. I just thought I'd grab a quick video of opening these parts I've been waiting on for so long. So cool. We'll see you guys later. How's it going, guys? So it is the next day, and I got another package today, and I'm pretty sure this is the rest of the rotating assembly. Get in there. Let's see. Where is this? Does it slide out? Okay. Slide out. Oh man. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the crank because it's heavy. Oh man. Oh yeah. just one problem. I didn't get any main bearings. I got the rod bearings yesterday, but we don't have any main bearings. I'm gonna have to double check the other box because I think I'm missing some bearings, but we'll be back. Hey guys, how's it going? So today the main bearings came in, which is awesome because that means all of the rotating assembly got here. Went ahead and drove that down to Lingenfelter this afternoon. So they've got everything they need to finish up the motor, which is freaking awesome. So excited. I cannot wait to get that thing back. Hopefully they'll have that done in a few days. I mean, maybe next week, hopefully. So today what we're working on is I got new battery cables for the car, and I'm just kind of dressing them up a little bit. So for the negative cable, we're doing a gray heat shrink, and then for the battery, like the positive side, we're going to do red heat shrink. But they'll both be this nice nylon braided wrap, so should have it looking pretty good.